Could the moon be a hollow alien spaceship? Some conspiracy theorists think so. David Icke and other famous conspiracy theorists have promoted the hollow moon theory as fact. Fringe websites continue to publish articles that give this theory unearned credibility. But how do we know the moon isn't hollow or engineered? Let's break it down. Early advocacy for the hollow moon theory came from the former Soviet Union. Two Soviet scientists, Michael Vassin and Alexander Sherbakov, published an article in Sputnik. They proposed that the moon is an artificial satellite put into orbit by unknown intelligent beings. Their hypothesis was essentially the plot of a Star Trek episode. They suggested the moon was a spaceship filled with fuel, materials, and machinery. They even cited a 1959 claim by another Soviet scientist about Mars moon Phobos. Soviet politics and science were closely intertwined, influencing the reception of such ideas. Their work was ignored by the scientific community but found new life on the internet. Today's conspiracy theorists claim the moon has unexpected elements and no solid core. They also claim the moon is older than the Earth and has a perfectly circular orbit. Let's debunk these claims with scientific evidence. The moon was formed when two primordial planetesimals, Theia and Gaia, collided. Theia and Gaia had similar compositions, resulting in the Earth and Moon having similar elements. The Earth got most of the heavier core elements, while the Moon is made up mostly of lighter ejecta. The Earth has a mean density of 5.5 grams per cc, while the Moon measures 3.3 grams per cc. This compositional similarity supports the common origin of the Earth and Moon. If aliens built the Moon, they would need to match Earth's materials perfectly. The classic claim is that the Moon rang like a bell when struck during the Apollo missions. Dr. Werner von Braun's artistic language fueled the hollow moon myth. Seismological studies from Apollo missions show the Moon has a conventional planetary structure. NASA reanalyzed Apollo data in 2011, giving us the best picture of the Moon's internal structure. The Moon has a small solid inner core, fluid outer core, partial melt layer, and thick mantle. Measuring the Moon's moment of rotational inertia also disproves the hollow theory. Gravimetric studies and detailed observations of the Moon's wobble provide accurate measurements. The Moon's core is dense and small, with mass evenly distributed throughout. The Moon is absolutely not hollow, and this is based on math, not assumptions. If the Moon were engineered, it matches exactly what we'd expect from natural formation. So, kudos to the aliens for the most pointless and expensive project in the history of the universe.